love, I don't see it. Can't make me believe it. You a nice girl and I'm a hood nigga on some street shit. And yeah, you know my weakness. Sucker for some love type. I come from the slums, good. Come from a good life. I wonder what you seeing me. I love weed and Hennessy. You barely doing happy hour. I ain't never seen you drinking now. That's leaving me to think how I got so close to you. This was just a hidden split. That's what I supposed to do. One thing led up to the next. I'm addicted to your sex. You addicted to this dick. Every cause has its effect. That's what I get, I guess. I can't commit, that's killing this. You gave me an ultimatum. I'm numb, I ain't feeling shit. Must not know who she dealing with. Puddles on the pillowcase. Tears running out my lipstick smeared. Hey, are you okay? You disobey. You pay for that. When the love is gone and she ain't made it back, pray for that.
What happened to us? You acting foolish. I'm acting foolish. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have. I'm about to lose it. I'm going through it. This shit confusing. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have.
I'm just saying, a relationship is 100-100. It can't be 50-50, right?
Right.
Oh, what? You gonna think about it?
Yes, I'm gonna think about it.
Look, do you want me here or not?
Think before you answer that. It's hard enough we breaking up, but after this, no turning back. Brought this on myself for mistakes. I'm forced to live with that. I'm knowing more mistakes should come. I'm human. That's my best excuse. In fact, my only one. Tears fall. My kids call. This ain't me. It's his fault. Oh shit, no. We did this. A partnership with no room for forgiveness. I take the blame, take your aim, shoot that shot, can't wait to claim all of this in Jesus' name. Pray at church that we can change. I feel your pain, I feel your pain. Song sung in the kid life, but don't mean it right. Hopefully that one day come, I see the light, can't sleep at night. And I'm wondering who's fooling who. I'm sure you know who's fucking me, cause I know who's been fucking you. We used to be inseparable. Never thought that day would come, but I take this shit so serious. And you get so good at playing dumb, you gotta play it once.
What happened to us? You acting foolish. I'm acting foolish. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have. I'm about to lose it. I'm going through it. This shit confusing. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have.
You had me, I'll admit that. Fell into the trap you set. Look at me in my eyes, lying, killing me with that soaking wet. Willingly let me choke her neck, scratching me all across my face, telling me that she loves the way it feels when I'm in it all the way. 60 calls a day, wondering where the fuck I'm at, asking me where the fuck I stay. Who else I fuck like that? Now let's be honest, you got him with whom you made your promise. And let us not forget it's her with whom I made my woman. I know our days are numbered, enjoy the moments after. And plus in lust we fell in love, pains of morning laughter. Living our separate lives, our husband's reckless wife. Beneath the question lie, why was she left to cry? She left shit quiet, that she was out of line. Then I step aside, gotta tell me why. I was everything, you was all I had. Now this has changed, and then this change is bad. Make a note of that.
You acting foolish, I'm acting foolish. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have. I'm about to lose it, I'm going through it. This shit confusing. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Before something happens, we have.
If this is love, I don't see it. Can't make me believe it, you a nice girl and I'm a hood nigga on some street shit. And yeah, you know my weakness, sucker for some love type. I come from the slums, good, come from a good life. I wonder what you seeing me. I love weed and Hennessy, you barely doing happy hour. I ain't never seen you drinking, now that's leaving me to think how I got so close to you. This was just a hit and split, that's what I supposed to do. One thing led up to the next, I'm addicted to your sex. You addicted to this dick, every call has its effect. That's what I get, I guess I can't commit, that's killing this. You gave me an ultimatum, I'm numb, I ain't feeling shit. Must not know who she dealing with. Puddles on the pillowcase, tears running out my lipstick smeared. Hey, you okay? You disobey, you pay for that. When the love is gone and she ain't made it back, pray for that.
What happened to us? You acting foolish, I'm acting foolish. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Cause something happened, we gotta. I'm about to lose it, we're going through it. This shit confusing. What we need to do is keep it moving. That's what we need to do. Cause something happened, we gotta.
I'm just saying, a relationship is 100-100. It can't be 50-50, right?
Right.
What? You gonna think about it?
Yes, I'm thinking.
Look, do you want me here or not?
Think before you answer that. It's hard enough we breaking up, but after this, no turning back. Brought this on myself for mistakes, I'm forced to live with that. I'm knowing more mistakes to come. I'm human, that's my best excuse. In fact, my only one. Tears fall, my kids call. This ain't me, it's his fault. Oh shit, no. We did this. A partnership with no room for forgiveness. I take the blame, take your aim, shoot that shot, can't wait to claim. All of this in Jesus' name. Pray at church that we can change. I feel your pain, I feel your pain. Song sung in the kid life, but no meaning right. Hopefully that one day come, I see the light. Can't sleep at night. And I'm wondering who's fooling who. I'm sure you know who's fucking me, cause I know who's been fucking you. We used to be inseparable. I never thought that day would come, but I take this shit so serious. And you get so good at playing it dumb, you gotta win the one. Mistakes, I'm forced to live with that. I'm knowing more mistakes should come. I'm human, that's my best excuse. In fact, my only one. Tears fall, my kids call. This ain't me, it's his fault. Oh shit, no. We did this. A partnership with no room for forgiveness. I take the blame, take your aim, shoot that shot, can't wait to claim. All of this in Jesus' name. Pray at church that we can change. I feel your pain, I feel your pain. Song sung in the kid life, but no meaning right. Hopefully that one day come, I see the light. Can't sleep at night. And I'm wondering who's fooling who. I'm sure you know who's fucking me, cause I know who's been fucking you. We used to be inseparable. I never thought that day would come, but I take this shit so serious. And you get so good at playing dumb, you gotta win the one.
What happened to us? You acting foolish,